Hello everyone. So right now we would like to present about Ratatouille. But before that, let me introduce ourselves. My name is Zara Sireza Firdausi and my friend's name is Rania Naifa Mekadina. So we will give a reason why we choose Ratatouille. We will explain the movie background, the important scene, the cultural values, and the cultural symbols that appear in the movie. And we also compare French culture and Indonesian culture based on this movie. We hope our presentation can help you understand how culture is shown in a movie in a simple and clear way. Okay, next to the movie background. This movie comes from France and was directed by Brad Bird. The genres of this movie are animation, comedy, and also family. The main character in this movie is a rat named Remy. Remy has a very big dream to become a professional chef in Paris. He loves cooking and has a very good sense of taste and smell. This movie tells us about his journey, his struggles, and his teamwork with a human named Linguini. The movie also teaches us about hard work, patience, creativity, and believing in ourselves. In this part, we will talk about one important scene in the movie. The scene happens when the human chefs leave the restaurant. Even though the situation is difficult, Remy doesn't give up. He decides to take responsibility and help. In this scene, Remy and his friends work together in the kitchen. And it is a very important because it shows cooperation, trust, and respect for food and work. After that, after the chefs leave the restaurant, Remy feels nervous and worried because many customers are still waiting for their food. He doesn't want to the restaurant to close or lose for the reputation. Then he quickly asks his family to help him. But before king, the rats wash their hands to keep everything clean and hygienic. They also wear small chef hats to show professionalism, and each rat receives a role. Some rats prepare vegetables, some cook soup, some clean dishes, and some decorate the food on the plate. Remy gives order and checks the taste of the food. Colette and Linguini trust the rats and continue working with them. Finally, the customer receive their food and feel happy. Next is about the cultural value. This shows many cultural values from French culture. The first value is discipline because everyone works in an organized way. And the second value is professionalism because they respect their job and do it really seriously. And the third value is respect for food because they try to cook in a clean and careful way. And another value is equality because the movie shows that everyone can work together no matter what their background is. This scene teach us that talent, effort, and patience are more important than social status. Next is the cultural symbol Han. Wine is about wine. In this scene, we can see wine being served on the table. In French culture, wine is very important and is usually drunk during dinner, especially at night. When wine represents luxury, elegance, and a high lifestyle, people enjoy wine not only as a drink but also as part of the dining experience. We can compare it with Indonesia. In Indonesia, people usually drink water because water represents health, simplicity, and a practical lifestyle. Second, cheese. In this part of the movie, we can see different kinds of cheese. Cheese is a very strong symbol of French national culture. French people are very proud of their cheese because it is part of their history and tradition. Cheese shows the richness of French cuisine. In Indonesia, we also have traditional foods like tape, tempeh, and other fermented foods. These foods show Indonesia identity and cultural pride.
And the next symbol is fine dining. The importance of this symbol is etiquette in enjoying food. And the cultural meaning is in some countries, especially France, fine dining is a formal style of dining where the table is neatly set and the cutlery is neatly arranged and the menu is presented in stage in keeping with an elegant and formal way of enjoying food. And comparison with Indonesia is we usually enjoy meals in a relaxed and family-like manner, which is a cultural value of togetherness. And the next symbol is ratatouille. The importance of this symbol is one of the simple and traditional dishes from France. And the cultural meaning is the scene features a typical French dish typically served at celebrations. It is a simple dish, but it's presented in a restaurant style setting and presented as attractively as possible. And the point of comparison with Indonesia is similar to the traditional Indonesian dish, namely pecel, which is consists of several vegetables and peanut sauce as a side dish. It also a symbol of simplicity and a traditional Indonesian dish typically served at special events. And then the last symbol is teamwork or togetherness and mutual cooperation. The importance of this symbol is togetherness and mutual cooperation make a job easier because it is done together, and through mutual cooperation it gives the impression of getting to know each other better. And the cultural meaning of this ratatouille or the symbol is the one doing it is a rat, but we can make it the lesson about togetherness and mutual cooperation. And point of comparison with Indonesia is sometimes in Indonesia, some people feel that they can do everything themselves, even though if they do it together, it will be easier, and this is the difference that we can see. And the next slide, it shows several comparison points. The first point is food is a cultural identity in both France and Indonesia. And the second one is in France, wine symbolizes luxury and elegance, while Indonesians prefer water as a symbol of health and simplicity. And the third point is cheese represents France's national pride, just like tape or tempe in Indonesia, which shows creativity and local flavor. And the fourth point is French people enjoy fine dining with strict etiquette, while Indonesians value relaxed family-style meals that emphasize togetherness. And the fifth point is the French dish ratatouille reflects simplicity and tradition, similar to some food in Indonesia, namely is pecel. Yes, and last, the teamwork shown in the French kitchen reminds us of gotong royong, but highlight that success comes through cooperation. Overall, while French celebrates elegance and Indonesian treasure warmth, unity, and shared joy in every meal. And the next is personal reflection. Through watching the Ratatouille, we learn that cooking is not only about technique but also passion and creativity. French people view food as an expression of art and identity. We was surprised by the discipline and hierarchy inside the kitchen, which shows deep respect of mastery. Indonesian culture, on the other hand, values togetherness in meals, which complements the French focus on perfection. This film taught me that food can bridge cultures and that sincerity matters more than status.